back to Hui's Corner. So this is my YouTube channel for like lifestyle and my experience of living abroad and studying here in America and anywhere else as I travel around the world. And so this is a part of my series called Yummy Ideas. It has all like the cooking and tutorials, and if you haven't looked at it, then check out this last video. It's very great and very simple. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you know whenever I upload a new video every week. So, let's not wait anymore and head to this week's meal. It's gonna be a tomato meal. It's mainly for like a dinner and a big supper, but you can totally customize it to like a small family or group of friends meal. And let's head to the kitchen. Here we are with a big thick slab of pork loin. We did not start with ground pork because during COVID-19 the grocery store was basically emptied and there was no ground pork at all. And so we got this piece of thick meat and literally just cut it up with knife and scissors to make our own ground pork at home. We also have no grounder since we are actually on the process of moving houses, which I'll explain more in another video. But basically, we don't have a lot of stuff in the kitchen as well, which leads to another thing later. But no matter what, we survive and we thrive. And here we have a very squeaky little old blender because we already packed our very modern one.
I'm using chopstick, but it's fine.